To create a video using AI, start by visiting the website of an AI video generator in your browser. The first link should be the website of the AI video generator, which can be found by typing the name of the generator into the search bar. Click on the website and then click on the Try button at the top right of the page. You will then be prompted to sign in with either Google, email, or phone number. After signing in, click the Create Video button, which is usually found at the top middle of the page. A new window will open, allowing you to start creating your video. You can upload an image to use as a reference, or type in a description of what you want to see in your video. For example, you could type, "A beautiful sunset over the sea." If you want to enhance your prompt, you can click the Enhance Prompt button. If you want to erase what you have written, you can click the Clear button. The website also has a guide that can be accessed by clicking the Guide button, which will take you to the website's documentation on how to use the AI video generator and how to prompt to create videos. You can then select the speed or quality of your video, with the option to choose between speed or quality. However, to access the quality mode, you will need to upgrade to a paid subscription plan. You can also choose the duration of your video, with options for 4 or 8 seconds. Although the 8 seconds option is also only available on paid plans. Additionally, you can click on the settings to change the modes if you have the premium version. There is also an option to use an image as a reference or to use text to video, which allows you to simply add in some text and create a video from it. Once you have entered your prompt and selected your settings, click the Create button to start generating your video. You will see a message indicating that your video is being created, and you can track its progress. If you need more credits to create more videos, you can upgrade to a premium plan by clicking the Credits button and selecting a plan that suits your needs. You can also view your creations by clicking the My Creations button and then clicking on the video you want to view. You can play, download, or re-edit your video, and also upscale it, although this option is also only available on paid plans.